fun, eh?
Alright.
Here we go. Oh God.
Oh my God.
Hey, look up.
Alrighty, so heading to the drop zone for skydiving. They are preparing their parachutes here, but this is where you walk in and they get you suited up and you go.
So just relax.
Hey, here she is. Hello.
Hello, lovely to meet
Where are you from?
I'm from Australia.
Australia. A long way from home here. What are you doing dressed like this? What's going on?
I'm going to skydive 15,000 feet.
Sweet. Go up, and then we're going to go down. Alrighty. First time?
Yep.
Alright, my first day as well. Hey, what could possibly go wrong, eh?
We're fucked. Panic was starting to set in here. I was starting to get a bit scared. I hate planes, I hate heights, but I'm going towards the plane. I'm doing this. So they strap you in before they go and they make sure you got your oxygen and your safety goggles and everything's done up tight and you're all secure. Basically, once this is done, it sets in that you have to do this. Like, there's no backing out now. You've got to do this. My nerves were getting to me quite a bit, especially when it's always takeoff or landing. Like, I always get nervous, so I was trying to focus on the scenery here and really focus on my breathing and reminding myself what I'm doing this for, that I'm doing this for me and I'm trying to face my fears and push the boundaries. Like, that was the point of this whole trip for me. But they were getting to me, so I vocalized it right here. I'm getting kind of scared now. Yep, me too. We kept saying back and forth as well, be the banana. And I'm like, I am the banana. And he's like, be the banana. And I'm like, yes, I am one with the banana. Which is just something you'd learn in the safety brief. But here we go, I will voice over. Fuck, 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 fuck. Fuck, and you're falling for about 40 seconds. You're free falling for about 40 seconds or more. For me, I was not able to breathe. Him tapping me there was to try and get my attention to put my hands out and enjoy myself, take in the scenery if I can. I was honestly just trying to breathe properly, hence why I'm doing the whole opening my mouth and trying to focus on the breathing. It was really hard to breathe for this free fall. I am letting out screams, trying to have a good time, but I was struggling. And these damn goggles, man, I just couldn't get them to stay. In the end, I end up holding them. And I pointed to them after tapping him, thinking that maybe he could do something, but like, what the fuck is he gonna do? He's focusing on our safety here and trying to enjoy himself and have fun. Here is where it finally sets in. The anxiety and the fear just start to roll away and he releases the parachute. And there we go. I am happy, I am relieved, I'm enjoying myself. That jaw movement that I was just doing is me trying to unpop my ears because of the pressure. It's very intense, just keep in mind.
Okay, is that pretty good?
Yeah.
Come and do another one with me?
Yeah.
No worries, alright. Hi Mum.
Hi, Mum.
She's down safe.
Oh, shit. Bye. And yes, that is blood on my nose. I think that was from the nose ring. That was so fucking scary. But it was so worth it. I just got the blockiest ear. I couldn't breathe for so long while dropping. And he kept tapping me and I was like trying to breathe. Alright, and these are some of the photos that you also get with the video photo package. You get a shit ton of video photos, so you can pick and choose what you like. I chose the most unflattering ones that I thought were funny, and some good ones too. Like, ew, look at that double chin, what the fuck is that? You can see the fear there, and then, you know, obviously the free fall. There's some ones in here that I found kind of funny. I don't like the angle, but I found them kind of funny. Like that one. That one was pretty cool. I thought, why not? There's one coming up. Where is it? Here, this one. It looks fucking horrendous, but it's funny. I don't know. It makes me, it makes me giggle. But yeah, so I've inserted these, and then I also have added to this big long video an update on what happened with bungee jumping. Alright, update. So I had bungee jumping and skydiving today. Bungee jumping, I was given 2 attempts and I was unfortunately not able to complete it, and that is okay. I really wanted to do this jump and I tried. They gave me 2 attempts because they believed that I could do it, but I just couldn't, and that's okay. There's nothing wrong with that. It's completely natural, the fear that I was feeling. I was violently shaking. I had pins and needles and started to feel very faint on my first attempt, and that to me is the start of a panic attack. So they pulled me down and put me to the side and said that I'd give me some time to calm down and then we'll try and attempt it again. It took me about probably 15-20 minutes to actually calm the nerves just enough to be able to get back on that ledge again. And panic set in again when I got in on that ledge, and I got pins and needles the second time and I felt like crying. I was so fucking scared because it's all, you've got to do it yourself, and unfortunately I couldn't do it. I just couldn't do it, and I was really fucking angry with myself afterwards because I couldn't do it. But you know what? Maybe it wasn't the right time. And okay, I let fear intervene with this one activity that I really wanted to do, but that doesn't counteract or minimize all the other stuff that I've fucking done that is just as amazing. So yeah, I just got to be a little bit kinder with myself too, because like I really started to spiral and get angry with myself. Like after the second attempt, we had to like slide back on the platform while they unhook us, and I was almost starting to cry because I was so fucking annoyed with myself, and I just felt like my head went to, what the fuck is wrong with you? Why can't you push through that shit? Look at everybody else before you. They jumped. They were scared, but they jumped. Why couldn't you do it? And I just spiraled into you're hopeless, you're worthless, and all that disgusting, nasty shit that we really don't want for this holiday. This whole point for this holiday was to do shit that scares the fuck out of me, and push my limits. And I did for a lot of the activities that I did. So I'm proud of myself. I'm not going to let this one activity that I could not complete ruin everything else I've experienced, which is just amazing. Like I'm already brave, so fucking brave for doing this trip alone and doing half of the fucking activities that I've done. Like I am so fucking brave, I am strong. I'm not going to let this one thing completely demolish that. So yeah. And then new snap, and then skydiving. Woo! Woohoo! 15,000 feet? Holy fucking shit. Holy fucking shit. Amazing. Absolutely fucking amazing. Best fucking feeling. Not when you're like struggling to breathe during the free fall for like the 15-20 seconds that you're struggling to breathe for. The goggles weren't tight enough. Like he did try to tighten them up. The skydiver that I was with, he did try to tighten them up as best he could, but that wind, that gust of wind, you're not able to breathe, and it's flapping off the fucking goggles, so I had to try and hold that, and I'm like panicking because I can't breathe and I'm trying to hold it on. But we did it. As soon as he released that fucking parachute, I was like, whoa, like holy fuck, and like just taking in the scenery, and it was amazing. It was a really good fucking experience. So today wasn't all that bad. Yes, I wasn't able to do one activity, but I was able to do another activity that was 10 times better. And yes, it was easier because I had somebody else doing the jumping, but you're still attached to that fucking person. You're still fucking falling out of a plane. That is scary. So yes, I didn't actually end up doing the bungee jumping. I will say though, there was a couple of times where my knees buckled just a little bit where I was able to jump, but I didn't actually end up falling through because my brain stopped me. Fear pulled me back, and that is okay. But after this day, I was left very, very tired, but probably because of all the adrenaline rush and just the stress that was going through my body. But I 100% recommend doing skydiving at least once in your life. And I decided to go big or go home. You can go by the same motto if you want, but it's completely up to you what you're comfortable with. Like either way, you're not going to be comfortable with it. So just choose one and stick with it, and trust me, you won't regret it. But yeah, that was all for day 23, peeps. I hope you enjoyed the video.